Hey peeps, welcome to Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today is a very special day indeed. It is in fact Twin Peaks Day and it is the absolute perfect day for me to be unboxing two really great Twin Peaks themed canvases from Mrs Peggotty Art that I ordered from Pam Diamond Painting. So let's waste no time. I'm so excited. I've been absolutely desperate to get these unwrapped and have a look at them. So let's get inside and I'll bring you along with me. So, Mrs Peggotty Arts have a really, what I think of as like a retro gaming style. Everything is designed to be slightly pixel heavy, which means it fits the idea of diamond painting really, really well. And I'm hoping that these live up to my expectations. So, oh, I'm not gonna be able to get you in. Okay, we'll do one first because I've got two here. Okay, so this is the first one. Stupid ring light. Let me just turn. That's better. Turn the ring light off. So here we have Agent Cooper with his, excuse me, damn fine cup of coffee. And you can see it's almost, any of you who, like me, grew up in the 80s and sort of with the early computer games, remember like the LucasArts kind of game style, that's what vibe this kind of gives me. Very much that. I also am a massive fan of colour blocking, and this is little colour blocking heaven. So let's go through the details. We have got poured glue. We have got a lovely soft backed canvas. The edges are poked and scalloped. We've got Pam Diamond Painting logo there. We've got the canvas details there. This is a 50 by 70. And I will check that I believe that that is the exact size. Yeah, so we've got 50 by, yeah, 50 by 70 there. So that is the image size, not the canvas size. So you're not losing anything. This makes this a pretty big canvas. So yeah. I love it. It's great. Yeah, everything looks super clear. There are 40 colours in this one. We've got 3 specials. I think they're going to be ABs. And let's have a look at the legend at the side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, no O, Q, R, S, no, gosh, R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And then some basic symbols there. We've got equals, plus, square, play button, male, female, hearts, diamonds, and a music note. So really nice, and yeah, really pleased. Cherish the beauty in every sparkle. So I'm very happy with this one. I will get the other canvas out and then we'll look at all of the drills. So pop you to one side, Agent Cooper. And let's get this one out. So here we have the log lady, Margaret. So, and again, she's in exactly the same style because it's by the same artist. She's framed the same, and at the bottom hers says owls are not what they seem. And she's here holding her log, and she's got these antlers behind her. Yeah, she's great. Very, very cool. 50 colours in this one. With, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Cool. So more ABs in this one, more colours. But yeah, I'm very pleased. The canvas is so, so clear. Let me just bring you down. There you go. So you can really see how clear that's going to be. Obviously, we've got these massive chunks of colour block in. But then where you need it, such as, you know, to get the detail in her hand, we've got more colour switching so that we can get that shading in there. Got a little bit of shading around her eyes and her face. So it's just exactly what you would need, I think. I'm so pleased. So again, 50 by 70, exactly the same size, same soft canvas, all the details. So let's go, and I'm going to roll these back up together, and then we will look at some trills. Oh, okay. I do not have time to work on these, and I really want to. So, for those of you that don't know, Twin Peaks Day is chosen as this day because this is the first day within the Twin Peaks TV series that Dale Cooper, Agent Cooper, that his character arrives in the town of Twin Peaks, and he talks into his little dictaphone, and he says what date it is and what time it is. And yeah, so this has sort of become known as Twin Peaks Day. So because this is sort of what sets off the whole saga that spans the 2 original TV series, and then a movie, and Twin Peaks: The Return, which was like a bonus, an additional special series, and then also there are spin-off books and things as well. So it's, yeah, I'm a bit of a fan. So you might have noticed at the beginning I had my little cloisonne that I recently made out, and was able to remove the pin really easily, just melted the glue, and I'm going to turn this into a cover minder so I can use it with this canvas. So that's my plan for this, as my little nod to the Red Room. So, right, roll you up over there. Go. I suppose also I should show you what the kits were like as well. So they're both the same, so we'll just we'll look at one. Let's have a look. So we are getting a nice Mosfer boat. These are a good size boat. We've got some, oh, very pretty washi tape. It's got like stars and moons. Very nice indeed, very much my style. We've got your basic pen with a brass tip. It's a little bit sparkly. Can you? Yeah, you can just about see that. We've got a 3-placer, and oops, I think that's probably a 6 and maybe an 8, maybe a 10. I'm not sure. These are the slightly fatter multi-placers, but they're fine if you're just getting started. We've got a little squishy to put on our pen to save our fingies, and we have got a set of pretty sharp tweezers. They're not so sharp, but they are pretty good tweezers, which are always nice to have, useful for when you're doing squares. And then in terms of wax, we have got 2 plates of pink wax in a little caddy, which is nice. I do like the little caddies. They just stop all the fluff and bits and bobs from your daily life getting stuck onto there. And everything's in a nice little reusable bag, which again is something that I really like. So that's our kit. Now we've got our drills. So let's go with, let's do this one first. A little bit of crinkly. Oh, look at that big bag of black. Okay. Woo, Now, we've got a little sticker here, which is very nice. I do like that. I've got a little thumbnail that I can stick in my planner. Here, everything is pre-bagged. Again, lovely. Let's see if I can find those special drills. Aha, I spied one. Right. So we've got a little bit of this one as an AB. We've got that one, and there should be a pink as well, yeah, and a pink AB. So just a little splash to go in. Cool. So nice to get everything pre-bagged. Look at this chunky bag. For reference, that's your regular size bag. So yeah, this is 0.59 grams, and this is 87 grams and 19. So it's big, and much the same. We've got similar, but not quite as big, with the red and the yellow and the orange. So this is for the aging coupon. I'm expecting the other one to be much the same. So yeah, let's just have a quick look at where those ABs are going to go. So Agent Cooper, let's get you out. Right, and we're looking for hearts, diamonds, and music notes. Hearts, diamonds, music notes. Okay, so they are going to sprinkle through. They're sprinkled around this sort of gold edging of the frame. Yeah, sprinkling through that bit. Yeah, hearts, diamonds, music notes. There's a couple. There's a little bit in his tie as well, just to tie everything together. But yeah, that's where they're going. Let's get you put back in there so that I don't muddle up these drills. That would be awful. So, and then for our lovely log lady, this is the one that's got more colours. Oh, I can already see we've got a pink AB. Where are you going? I hope there's not too many in her skin. It doesn't look like there is. Oh, and we've got a red AB as well. Ooh. Where's that going? That's going to be in her jumper or her coat. Her coat is going to have a red AB in it. Ooh. So, again, obviously pre-bagged. We do have a big old chunk of black. Where are our other colours? So, oh, yeah, so we've got, this is AB666, so it's that bright red, and that is the tick symbol. Yeah, so that's going to be all of the red in her coat. We've also got 820, which is a blue. That is going to be, that is the omega symbol. Oh, it's going a little bit in her eyes. Lovely. And a little bit in these top corners. Just highlighting, or just sort of highlighting around the edge of everything. Don't mind that at all. We've got the pink, which is 819. That's going to be, okay. Yeah, so this is going to go into the antlers behind. I like that idea. That'll make those pop really nice. And then should be another one. suspect it's just a small smattering of something. Yes, 818. It's a different shade of blue. Oh gosh, excuse me. It's a different shade of pink. What am I doing? Right. So yeah, you can see they're just, one is 819 and one is 818. So they're just a shade apart. And this is a little swoosh symbol. Where are these going? I cannot see. Okay, it does look like there might be a little bit in her hands. Maybe just the corners of the mouth. Okay, well, we'll see. Not adverse to that idea. We'll give it a go. I was just a bit worried that they would make her look too sparkly in the skin. Yeah. She's not in Twilight. So. Get Margaret all rolled back up again. So. This is my very first purchase from Pam's Diamond. And I have to say, I'm very excited, very impressed. And I just, when I saw this art from Mrs Peggotty Arts, I loved the style of it. And that was what sold me. Yeah, so cool artwork. It's a fandom that I really am very much interested in. Yeah, just very, very excited to get going on this. So, yeah, I will pop prices and details down below. If you are in the UK and you wish to purchase from Pam, you will need to contact her directly. There's an email on her website. She's very, very helpful, very, very friendly. And yeah, she will be able to help you to get that sorted because her website doesn't deal with overseas shipping. But I am going to leave this here. I'm going to put these away and sit on my hands and go and do something else so that I don't start them. But yeah, I'm very excited to get on with them and to see how they turn out. I do have more from Pam coming, so you will be seeing more of her kits in the future, particularly as we have recently had one of my channel members has been signed to Pam, and so I'm very excited to start seeing her art being created as diamond paintings. So I'm going to leave this here. I hope those of you that celebrate Twin Peaks Day are having a lovely day. Go and do something nice for yourself. Give yourself a gift today. Enjoy a nice cup of coffee, a piece of cherry pie, and until next time, stay crafty!